So this riff features a 4-chord chord progression, and the first thing we're going to do is learn the 4 chords. The first chord begins with your first finger on the 8th fret of the D string, your middle finger on the 9th fret of the B string, your ring finger on the 10th fret of the G string, and your pinky on the 11th fret of the high E. The second chord, you just swap your middle and pinky around, so your middle moves down to the 9th fret of the high E, and your pinky moves up to the 11th fret of the B, and then you have this chord. So the first chord is this, the second chord is this. The third chord, you use your ring finger to bar the 11th fret across the G, B, and E strings, the 3 high strings. And the last chord is your first finger on the 8th fret of the D string, your middle finger and your ring finger barring the B and E string on the 9th fret, and your pinky on the 10th fret of the G string. So that chord is. Once you've learned these 4 chords, we can get into the rhythm and the effects used on the riff. The rhythm is actually very simple, and it's the same for every chord. It's just like that. What really makes this riff special, though, is the delay effects added. For this riff, I'm using a tape delay set to about 402 milliseconds, and with the feedback set to just about 3 or 4 repeats. This is what it sounds like with only the delay. And when you add that rhythm in, a handy tip to get the strumming rhythm correct is to strum the chord 4 times, and then try that again but leave out the 2 middle strums. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the rhythm for the first 2 chords. And then a final stab at the end. Then when you add the delay, once you've mastered the chord progression and have gotten the rhythm down with the delay, try adding some reverb and a flanger to get the full effect of the original. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you next time.